Cherimoya, Nature's Custard Apple by AZLAN ADNAN, May, Friday, 8th of August, 2025. Introduction: Cherimoya, Annona cherimola, affectionately known as the custard apple, is a luscious tropical subtropical fruit, treasured for centuries in the Andean highlands. With its green, heart-shaped, scaly skin and luxuriously creamy interior, it offers an indulgent taste experience, often described as nature's own ice cream. Its flavor is a delicate fusion of banana, pineapple, strawberry, and vanilla, with faint notes of mango and papaya, an aromatic symphony that has enchanted both locals and travelers. Mark Twain famously called Cherimoya the most delicious fruit known to men, a statement that still resonates today. Origins and cultural heritage. Cherimoya is native to the cool, elevated valleys of Ecuador, Peru, Colombia, and Bolivia, where it grows between 1,000 and 2,000 meters above sea level. Archaeological evidence suggests that it was cultivated by pre-Columbian societies, including the Inca, who valued it not only for its taste, but also for its nutritional richness. In Quechua, the word Cherimoya means cold seeds, referring to the plant's preference for high-altitude climates where evenings are cool. The fruit played a role in ancient Andean food culture, often given as an offering to nobility or exchanged in highland-lowland trade networks. Cherimoya trees were cultivated on terraced slopes, benefiting from well-drained volcanic soils and seasonal rainfall. The fruit's rarity in certain regions elevated its status as a delicacy, especially in ceremonial feasts. The Spanish conquistadors carried cherimoya seeds to other parts of their empire in the 16th century, introducing it to Spain, Chile, and later to parts of Asia, including India and the Philippines. By the 18th and 19th centuries, it had spread further to Mediterranean countries, such as Italy and Portugal, as well as subtropical parts of Africa and Australia. In modern times, cherimoya is cultivated in Southern California, Hawaii, South Africa, and Israel, though it remains a niche fruit outside its native range due to its delicate nature and short post-harvest life. Unlike more rugged tropical fruits, cherimoya bruises easily, making long-distance transport challenging. As a result, it is often consumed close to where it is grown or sold in specialty markets. Appearance and season. The cherimoya is typically heart-shaped, with a knobbly green skin that may range from smooth to lumpy depending on the variety. Beneath the skin lies the pale ivory flesh, custard soft when ripe, and dotted with glossy black seeds. The seeds are inedible and should be removed before eating. When ripe, the fruit yields slightly to gentle pressure, much like an avocado. If overripe, the skin will darken and the flesh will take on a fermented aroma. The ideal texture is silky and spoonable, best enjoyed chilled. In its native Andes, cherimoya season generally runs from late winter to early spring, though this can vary according to local climate and altitude. Nutritional information per 100 grams fresh cherimoya flesh. Calories, 75 kcal. Carbohydrates, 17.7 grams. Sugars, 12.9 grams. Dietary fiber, 3 grams. Protein, 1.6 grams. Fat, 0.7 grams. Vitamin C, 12 milligrams, 20% DV. Vitamin B6, 0.2 milligrams, 15% DV. Potassium, 287 milligrams, 8% DV. Magnesium, 17 milligrams. Folate, 23 milligrams. Antioxidants, polyphenols, and carotenoids that help reduce oxidative stress. Health benefits. These nutrients offer a combination of flavor and function. Potassium supports cardiovascular health and blood pressure regulation. Vitamin C strengthens immunity and promotes collagen formation for healthy skin. Dietary fiber aids digestion and helps maintain healthy gut microbiota. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative damage and may reduce inflammation. B vitamins assist in energy metabolism and nervous system health. In traditional Andean medicine, cherimoya was sometimes recommended for digestive health and as a gentle tonic for convalescence. Modern nutritional science supports some of these uses, particularly its role in digestive and cardiovascular wellness. Cultivation and harvesting. Cherimoya trees thrive in climates with mild winters and warm summers, preferring temperatures between 18 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. They require well-drained soils and regular irrigation, but are sensitive to frost and prolonged heat above 30 degrees Celsius. Because their natural pollinators are scarce outside the Andes, growers in other regions often rely on hand pollination to ensure a good fruit set. Harvesting requires careful timing. Fruits are picked when they reach full size and develop a light green hue with a slight yellow tinge. Once harvested, they ripen quickly at room temperature and should be consumed within a few days. Culinary uses. Cherimoya is most often enjoyed fresh, cut in half, and eaten with a spoon, but it also lends itself beautifully to smoothies, fruit salads, and desserts. In its native Andes, it may be blended with milk or yogurt for a refreshing drink, or frozen into a sorbet that needs no added sugar. The fruit pairs well with citrus, berries, and tropical fruits, and its natural creaminess can substitute for dairy in vegan recipes. Chefs in gourmet kitchens have experimented with cherimoya in custards, ice creams, parfaits, and even savory applications, pairing it with soft cheeses, seafood, or lightly spiced poultry. Market value and economics. Due to its delicate nature, cherimoya commands a relatively high market price compared to more common tropical fruits. In producing countries, it is often sold at local markets during peak season, while in importing countries, it appears in high-end grocery stores and specialty shops. Its short shelf life and careful handling requirements add to its exclusivity. Conclusion. From its sacred place in ancient Andean culture to its coveted position in modern gourmet cuisine, cherimoya is more than just a fruit. It is a symbol of the highlands' agricultural heritage and biodiversity. Its sublime flavor, coupled with rich nutritional value, makes it a treasure worth seeking out. Whether eaten fresh under the Andean sun or savored in a Michelin-starred kitchen, cherimoya remains a rare gift from nature, one that nourishes both body and soul.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.